What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going over a game that I made last year in Roblox Studio called Soccer Stars Simulator. This is actually based off of the series that I did on how to make a soccer simulator game. I actually took the very end of that project as a starting point for this project, and this is what I made. So we're just going to play it for a little bit and I'll just go over some of the features. I'm actually going to post this game for sale in my Patreon. A lot of work went into this game, believe it or not. A lot of work, and I'm pretty proud of it. It's got a lot of features that I think can help you with your game. That should have counted. But yeah, a lot of features that could not only help you with the soccer game, but could be applied to other games as well. Pretty simple. You just come in and you just start shooting goals. You left click to shoot, or if you're using a gamepad, you use B to shoot. The farther away you are from the goal when you make it, the more coins and gems you get. And you use those gems to buy pets, buy outfits. No way, let's go look. So yeah, gems, buy the pets. Not gonna lie, you mainly just want to upgrade power. We got global leaderboards. We got this thing.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
We got a rebirth system. Most coins. Most gems. Most goals. Highest score. And longest goal. Let's get to work. We gotta just crank out some goals. We got game passes over here. We got teleports right there. Oh, and these little swirly things, they give you a bonus. We already have a lightning bonus. Every now and then you'll get struck by lightning, and you'll get 10 times the amount you normally would. And we also got this power swirl bonus. These just pop up all over the field. You can chase them down, you get 5 times the resources. Alright, let's go get a pet. We got a rain system. We got a day-night cycle. We got different parts of the map that we gotta unlock. Alright, we got a firefox. And to equip it, you gotta go up to pet. There we go, we got a fox. It does absolutely nothing for us, but kids like it. Kids like pets. And kids play Roblox. So yeah, let's work on unlocking some of these other areas. Up here, you can turn auto aim off and on. I actually like for it. I think it's more fun. It's off. Oh, you can turn the music on and off. This works on mobile too. Works on anything. I'm using a gamepad right now. It works with a mouse and keyboard, obviously. So yeah, you can see we can't come back here unless we unlock it. But now we got a whole city unlocked, and we get a lot more coins. Wait, can we reach it? Or do we need to upgrade? Yeah, we can reach it. If any Unity developers are watching this, I know you're probably like, what is this guy doing? Like, why did he do this? I just got bored, man. I just needed a break from Unity. I needed something fresh, something new. Honestly, Roblox was, believe it or not, it helped me as a game developer. It just helped me understand some really important game development principles, mainly with the whole multiplayer thing. Like, I don't know how to make a multiplayer game, honestly. That's something that I'm gonna learn this year, hopefully. Anyways, let me go to a different account just so you can see the whole map. Let me go to my Duck Hive account. We got a daily reward system. Oh, we also have a code system, but I think it's in the description. But you just type in the code, redeem it, and you get a reward. I can fly. That's something you got to unlock with a game pass. See flying over here. Yeah, let's go teleport to city. And again, I didn't model any of this. I used all free assets. That was like the biggest criticism I got of this game, is that like it was pretty obvious I didn't model stuff. But I still think it looks okay. It's just kind of obvious that I am not a modeler. I never claimed to be though. So we got like a desert. Basically, I just try to make this game a vibe. I like the music. Just turn your brain off and just shoot some goals, basically. Turn. Brutal. But yeah, let's go look at these other levels. I don't even have them unlocked. I'm the creator, I don't even have them unlocked. Had a lot of requests of people like, why don't you make the pets do something? And I was going to, but then I didn't. So yeah, that's how that works. Ooh, we just unlocked the moon. May not have enough power. Oh, sometimes it just freezes for a second. Doesn't freeze, it's just the camera just stays on the ball for a little bit too long. This is the moon. This is a little glitch you can do. You can run on your pet. If you do it just perfect, you can just keep going up and up and up. But who cares? I think you guys get it. If you're interested, I actually am going to sell this on my Patreon just because like I'm done with it. So I'd rather other people have it and do something with it if they want to. So by all means, take this and make it a really good soccer game. What I was going to do is I was going to pay someone to model me. I actually did pay someone to model me a mega level like this, but I think they bit off more than they could chew. So they said they would do it, but then they weren't able to follow through. But anyways, yeah, I was going to have a custom level built, custom map built for all this stuff. I think that's what would really take it to the next level, and need some more polish, some more bugs to be worked out, and I don't know, I was just done with it. I put a lot of work into this, so I'm going to make it for sale on my Patreon if anyone wants it. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.